Welcome to ATP Customs. Just want to show you my 65 Acadian Canso two-door hardtop. Just got painted this year. I've had this car kicking around for 8 years, I believe. Bought it from another gentleman who did the same thing as me and let it sit around for a few years while he did body work. So I think this car has been floating around for a good 10 to 15 years of nobody actually getting around to finishing it. So I bought it. We've done the body and paint. Just finished polishing this thing. What do we got? American racing wheels, a set of nitto autocross tires. It's got disc brake conversion, but they're just an S10 conversion. I have a set of Willwoods for it. We got nothing under the hood. I do have a 383 built by Steve Brandt. I have quite a collection of his motors laying around. It's a hefty little motor. Used to be in my 79 Cutlass, would almost lift the front wheels. So, good little motor for this car. Gonna do just a turbo 350 that's built, came out of my drag car for now until I upgrade to an overdrive. I have all new interior for this thing. I have a Ford 9-inch with a mini spool, but I gotta narrow it. I've got a set of Caltrac rear leafs. And I had a whole bunch of MTX stuff laying around from a caddy build that I never completed. So we're going to make all of that disappear in the trunk. The goal is to make sure you can't see any of it, because apparently nobody likes MTX, even though this particular model has really good reviews and it's priced really well. So we're going to try it out. I have a ton of moldings to restore. Not sure who's going to do that for me. That's a tough job. And there's a lot of moldings on this thing. So we're going to pick and choose which ones we like and which ones we can use. You can't get Acadian moldings and all of that stuff. It's a Nova with Pontiac emblems and stuff, so nobody makes that stuff. We're going to have to do it ourselves. But it is going to be a handful. We're shooting for around 600, 650 horse on this one. It has new everything. And I can't wait to get this one on the road. It'll be on the road for this coming summer. So, you'll see it at car shows. We are going to do a lot of extra chrome and mirrors and all that cheesy car show stuff, because I've never done an actual show car, so we're going to give it a go. All right, thanks for watching.